Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get premium on Poly AI. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, it's a very easy method. First of all, open up your Poly AI app, then make sure you're signed in. Make sure it's an updated version as well. Then go ahead, sign in, and then make sure you're either on your home. If you're on your home section, you will switch to your me section. From the me section, as highlighted, you can say this is how the interface gonna look like, and on top you will find the option of Poly Premium on top, right? Simply tap on this renew option so you can renew as well. Otherwise, if you haven't taken Poly Premium, then you will find the Poly Premium and tap on it. Then you will simply have to fill in details of yours and your payment method and the plan. You can pick a plan. Then you can also select the automated payment. So every month it will pay for it itself and it will be activated alongside. Once you have done that, your Poly Premium will be activated on your Poly AI, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below, and that is it. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in our next video.